Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am here to unbox all of these boxes, very large boxes from a distributor very close to us, only about a half hour away, but we had to go all the way to Las Vegas to actually meet them. But we really love their items. They have a variety of different types of cool stuff, so let's find out what we got in these boxes. Hey everybody, just a reminder, we are on a quest for our 93,000 mark for our subscribers right here on this YouTube channel. So if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you as a subscriber, because once we hit 93,000, we're going to give away 3 $100 gift cards to hookedonpickin.com. And so the only thing you have to be is a subscriber to our YouTube channel and a customer on Hooked on Pickin. So if you haven't created an account on hookedonpickin.com yet, run on over there, do that so that you can be entered into the drawing. So we're going to do that for 3 when we hit 93,000. I've also been getting some really cool comments and emails from you guys saying, hey, I shared it out on my Facebook page, and I've been telling all my friends, and a few of my friends have subscribed. So thank you so much. Already we're seeing the numbers tick up, and the closer we get to 93,000, the closer it is that we can hand out those $100 gift cards. All right, let's go ahead and open this box and see what we got inside. Oh, lots of different things. What are these? Hungry Acrobat coasters, set of 4.
I love that.
They're like puzzle pieces.
They're puzzle pieces?
See how they fit together, the legs on the top
Oh,
of the guy's
yeah.
head?
Yeah,
But
they do fit
can,
together.
But they're like, I don't know, they kind of look like little sumo guys or some, I don't know what
Hey,
they are.
they're acrobats.
They're acrobats.
They're
Hungry
just,
ones.
you know, a larger acrobat.
And it's got an anti-slip cork backing on it.
That's cool.
Yeah, that is
Look
really
like
cool.
for like the circus or something.
Yeah. All right, so we've got those in there. Pull some of those out. And we've got LED wall sconce spotlights. 3 colorful lights positioned at the top and bottom of a sconce. If you flip it over, see, it's that thing.
Oh, okay, cool.
It shows that on the front, but
I could definitely see how you would light your TV with that.
For sure.
Could do a lot of fun stuff with this.
Oh, yeah.
Like it.
All right, so we got a bunch of those. What is this? USB table lamp? I thought it was upside down. Like, to me, I think it should look like that, but it's not. That's the base, and the little USB light, it almost looks like a candle.
Yeah, like a candlestick.
Yes.
Because
So,
this is where it lights up, right?
yes, so the one that we have is actually the gold one in this box, is what it's showing.
Oh, that's even cooler, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like an old-time candlestick, but it's LED, you said?
Yeah.
That's kind of fun.
Cool, huh?
Showed a lot of brass candlesticks, but now we got a LED candlestick.
LED one. Yeah, it looks like all of them are gold. What is this? Marvel Mayhem. So this, it looks like a game. Be the last superhero standing in this fast-paced card game. 4 hit point trackers, 4 hit point tokens, 16 damage tokens, 4 reference cards, 4 28 card decks, and game rules. Oh, since we're looking at cards, I'm going to do a shameless plug. James actually made a card game, and it's for sale, and I have the link actually listed on hookedonpickin.com. You can't buy it directly from hookedonpickin.com. I might actually get some hard copies to sell on hookedonpickin.com sometime, maybe around Christmas. I might order some for Christmas. But anyway, the link is on hookedonpickin.com, and you can actually buy them. If you go if you type in Game Crafter and Time Tumble, you will find James's game, and you can buy it there. It's really cool. That was my shameless mom plug. All right, then we have Sharpie highlighters. What is this? That is a effective nail trimming for pets.
Got some weight to it. I like that.
Yeah, ultra quiet, USB charging, and it's got a power bank. You can use it for birds, dogs, cats, all sizes of dogs. That's cool.
A needed thing.
Yes, for sure. All right, what is this? Creative Visualization Lamp. Visualization lamp? Oh, it's a lamp. You put this in the base, And it lights up.
Lights up the cat.
That's cool.
Oh, yeah. Cute looking cat, too.
It is a cute looking cat. Move some of this stuff down here. Maybe we'll move our little cat friend here. What is this?
Seedling.
Seedling, planting ideas, growing minds. Wooden crafty kits, shaped loom friends. So you can, oh, you do loom stuff on, can you see the wooden pieces in there?
Yeah, you got 3 wooden shaped looms. You got a unicorn, cat, heart.
Make them any color you want.
Yeah, got a cool kit there.
Yeah, that is a cool kit. All right, then we have, there's something under here, this right here. Essential oil diffuser. 7 LED light changing functions. It goes white, warm yellow, green, blue, purple, red, and yellow. It includes 1 diffuser, 1 remote control, 1 power adapter plug, and a manual. So it's got timer modes and an auto shut off after 9 continuous hours. That's cool. I'm trying to see if there's anything new in this box. Looks like more of those oil diffusers. And then I think, what is this? Is this the same thing we've already put? Yeah, more of these spotlights. All right, so that's everything that's in this box. So we've already seen everything that goes in this box. I'll just put a few of these back in here so I can move this box out of the way. You'll be able to go to hookedonpickin.com, go straight there. You'll be able to find each and every one of these items. Your loom might be in the craft section or the toy section. Your games, we do have a puzzles and games category. Like these are going to be in your stationery category, and then like any lamps and stuff like that, are even the oil diffuser. We do have a fragrance section, so we'll probably list that there, but you might also find it in home decor. But you know, if it makes sense, that's probably where it's at. Let me go ahead and put this one down, and we'll go on to the next box here. So like I said, we just get like an eclectic group of things from this company. It's really fun. Oh, also, leave in the comment section below if you want us to be on the lookout for specific things. If you're like, hey, I'm looking for Christmas presents, and I would like you to find Squishmallows, or I would like you to find games, or I would like you to find stocking stuffers. Let us know. That way we can be better about buying the things that we have. All right, we're seeing some repeats here, which is awesome because we didn't open very many of these Sharpie markers. So it's good to have more quantity. We got some more of these guys. Oh, what's this? This is a United States Air Force Defending Freedom towel. It's a 30-inch by 60-inch, so it's a huge towel. That's perfect for our area because we got Air Force right by us.
We're really close to Scott Air Force Base.
Oh, more of these clip fans. What color are they? Look at these.
Great.
Yeah, you just USB charge them. You can actually clip them like on a desk with a big clamp, or they actually have a nail hole. So if you like want hang them on a wall, you can have them mounted too.
That's neat.
Looks like we've got some more of those United States towels here in the bottom. You want to peek over here and show?
Are they towels or are they?
They say towel.
Oh, they're towel. Okay.
30-inch by 60-inch.
I thought they might have been a blanket, but they're a towel.
Well,
okay.
I mean, you could probably use them for a for a blanket because they're huge. Okay, I'm gonna look under here. More towels. Let me see. Okay, the whole bottom row is towel. Oh wait, we've got Army. We've got Army.
Sweet. Army towel?
Yep. Hold on, I'm gonna look. So we've got some more Air Force One. This is Navy.
There we go.
And then what's this one? Hold on. Let me move some of these things out of the way. Okay, so we have Army. And then, oh, this whole pack is Army. Okay, and then we've got Navy, Air Force.
That might be it.
I don't see Marines.
Coast Guard's hard to find
And yeah.
And Marines are a little
we
harder
might
to find.
still have Marines in here. It might just be hiding on us. So we'll keep looking. The towels you're going to find in
Health and beauty, maybe?
Health and Beauty.
Right?
Do we have a...
Fun find, probably.
Fun finds, yeah. You can also type in Army towel and find it in our search bar. So, all right. Let's go on to the next one. What are these? They say line capacity, Cam's Outdoors. I'm going to open this and find out what it is. Is this a fishing reel?
That is a fishing reel. Yes, it is.
So you mount it to your fishing pole. It said open head fishing reel.
Heather's an excellent fisherwoman.
I
Fisherman?
am,
Fisherwoman.
I usually outfish Paul.
All day long.
Yeah.
Every day.
I think it's because my name is now Hooks.
It's true.
Yes.
Well, you're just amazing.
And Paul's dad taught me how to fish really good.
It's true.
I usually...
Fish are attracted to her.
That's what it is. Yep. All right, we got those. What are these? Oh, these are stainless steel water bottles. They have a little WW, I don't know what that means. But they look like wood grain. So they're bougie stainless steel water bottles. Cool. So those are neat. Let's see what else we got in here. What are these? This is super heavy, whatever this is. I'm going to move it over here. Claim your free gift. All right. Oh, it's a candle.
Fancy candle.
Craft and Kin Violet Velvet. You want to smell it?
Absolutely. Oh, that's good.
Ooh, that is a good smelling candle. I would pick this.
That
I
looks
would
like
buy
a fancy candle, man.
I know. I would buy this from a candle shop for
I
sure.
wonder who that was made for.
I don't know.
This is a Yankee candle. Sometimes on the bottom they'll say. Glass is nice. It's got some weight to it. Craft and Kin. Maybe there's a store called Craft and Kin.
All right. Oh, to go with the fishing theme, we've got some lures.
All right.
Ooh, different kinds. Look.
Yeah, it was just all. I think all it said there was just assorted.
Yeah, look.
Yes.
All different kinds. All right. What else we got in here? Oh, there's a whole box underneath here. Give me a second. I gotta unbury it here. Couple of boxes in here. Let's pull this big one out. Very heavy. Okay, what is this? It says Benevolence, Los Angeles. Shine a light in the darkness.
Okay, sounds good.
Ooh, it's a candle.
It's a nice candle. Claim your free gift.
Let me see, what scent is this? Hibiscus and palm wood. Soy candle.
Palmwood, that sounds kind of cool.
Yeah. Cool. So there you go. A whole box of candles. Alright, put this over here. What else we got in here? We got some other boxes here. Oh, we've had this before. Smoked paprika.
Paprika.
This sells really fast for us.
Real fast.
Maybe we just price it at a good price.
What was it? It's Whole Foods?
Yes, Whole Foods
Yeah.
Market. Yep. All right, so we got paprika. We got some more of those other candles we unboxed. More paprika. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So we've seen everything in this box. Last box.
That little card goes with that candle.
Oh, okay.
There you go. So somebody can claim their free gift.
I don't think that those are
Probably not. Yeah. Although you never know.
Though.
Sometimes it does work.
Oh, what are these? Easy peel. Slide onto the finger. And then you can peel it.
Peeling carrots,
Yeah,
potatoes. That's kind of neat.
that is cool.
That way you won't cut yourself too. Oh, neat. Yeah. As seen on TV.
Yeah. And since we're hooked on Pickin, we need fishing poles.
Fishing pole.
Yeah.
Extended fishing set. It's nice for portable. Put it in your trunk.
Yeah, and this will be easy to ship too. It comes with even its own hooks. These are perfect bluegill size hooks.
Yes, they are.
Ooh, I see puzzles. Hold on, I gotta bury them. $1,000 piece. It says blazing with color. And it is a snowy bridge scene. I want to live there.
Snowy bridge. Doesn't that be beautiful?
Yeah.
Looks like a beautiful place. Is it all the puzzles are this one?
I think it's all the same thing so far.
Great.
All right, then we got another lamp with a cat. Okay, what's under here? Ooh, Google box. Don't recognize. Oh, yes. The copper knife. It's the double pack.
Yep, I think we're just about out of all copper knives, so it's good to get that back.
Yes. So you'll find that in the kitchen section. Okay, let's see. Move stuff over. What else we got in here? Are these the candles? These are the velvet candles, the violet velvet candles. What else we got in here?
A lot of those cat lights, looks
Oh,
like.
nice. Find out what this is. Oh, is it that game?
Okay.
Yeah, it's more of that Marvel Mayhem card game.
Looks like it'd be a fun game.
Yeah, yeah. So you can go to the game section for the games, go to the kitchen section for these kinds of things. And we do have the games section is the puzzles and games.
Where would you put the fishing stuff?
Ooh.
Fun finds, maybe?
Yeah.
We don't have like an outdoor... Well, we have lawn and garden, but that's not quite...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably put it in fun finds.
Fun finds, probably? Yeah.
All right, so you can find all these things on hookedonpickin.com right now. So run on over there. You can get all these items, so you purchase them, as well as many other things that we already have listed on Hooked on Pickin. So another reminder too, if you order over $100 and you live in the continental United States, you do get free shipping. So if you like a few of these things, go looking for some other stuff. You want to get that free shipping bonus. And another reminder, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're trying to hit 93,000. When we hit 93,000, we're going to give away 3 $100 gift cards, and then when we hit 94,000, we'll give away 4, and on and on and on up. And so until we hit the 100,000 mark, then obviously we'll be giving away 10 $100
Sure.
gift cards.
We're going to Hawaii then.
Yes, sure. Mm-hmm. Thanks so much for joining us, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.